Today I'll show you how I made this insane textured R&B beat in the style of Drake or Party Next Door with just one plugin. Yes, you heard that right. Every sound in the beat comes from one plugin. I'm using SourceLab by Initial Audio, and I just dropped a new expansion called Aura Textured R&B. Let's get straight into the beat. I started with these multi-keys and a vocal from the pack. This already sets the whole vibe, super textured and super emotional. Then I layered this with a piano and a pad, keeping it simple, just building atmosphere. Next, I added a bass, 808, and a texture. Then I added some simple drums and a percussion loop from the pack. Nothing too crazy, just clean and vibey. And we got this. If you want to make beats like this, check out Aura Textured R&B for SourceLab. I'll link you both the expansion and SourceLab in the description, so don't sleep on this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.